Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. In this video, you're going to learn the different names of birds. Birds are animals that have feathers, wings, and beaks. Most birds are able to fly, but some, like ostriches and penguins, cannot fly even though they still have wings. Parrot, Parrot. Parrot. Peacock, Peacock. Peacock. Owl, Owl. Owl. Pigeon, Pigeon. Woodpecker, Wood. Pecker. Woodpecker. Crane, Crane. Kingfisher, King. Fisher, Kingfisher. Turkey, Turkey. Eagle, Eagle. Duck, Duck. Rooster, Rooster. Bat, Bat. Ostrich, Ostrich. Hummingbird, Hummingbird. Hummingbird. Penguin, Penguin. Vulture, Vulture. Flamingo, Flamingo. Cuckoo, Cuckoo. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe to my channel.